Okay, here's the door install on the 65 Mustang. That's the actual door we're going to put back in. As you can see here, I got the backing plate there, the backing plate there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in here or not, but where am I here? Yeah, right there. So I got a piece of wood wedged on that plate so it won't move. I did the same thing on the top. So we're just going to put this thing up into the basically door frame, and I'm going to screw some bolts in. My wife's going to come and hold the camera right here, so she'll show it. All right, let's go ahead and put that door on. Let's go ahead and raise it up a little bit. All right. Up. Raise it up in the front. Okay. Okay, come up a little bit more. Okay, now come forward. Up, there you go. Right there. I'm getting one started on the top. There we go. So I'm just going to snug these up here a little bit because I still have to get the bottom ones in. And then I want to do a loose adjustment on it once I get all the bolts in. So now we're going to come down here.
I think you turn the camera upside down.
Okay, Trevor, go ahead and lift it up a little bit for me. Go back, yeah. Lift it up and push it forward. No, go down. Go down, 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 down. There you go. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this one a little bit so we get some slack. Lift it up here. Yeah, lift it up there. Okay, hang on, hang on. Okay. Okay, so we got one bolt in. We got our second bolt in. And we got our third bolt in. So now what I'm going to do is I'll tighten these down. Keep some pressure on that for me. So I'll switch over here to this, my new impact gun. I'm just gonna kind of just run them in a little bit. There we go. Okay, go ahead and pull that door out a little bit. Oh, we'll push it back in a little bit. Okay, so it's got to be moved up. So I'm going to go ahead and re-loosen it. And I'm going to have Trevor over here just line that back end up for us. Okay, we'll go ahead and line that up so it's all lined up.
Yep.
Lined up? Okay. Now we're going to tighten it down. Okay, Trevor, go ahead, open it up. There we go. So that's how you actually put a door on the 65 Mustang. So anyone that tells you it's going to take 2 hours to do, if you have a helper, it doesn't take that long to do. So we're pretty good here. This could actually come up a little bit. Minor adjustment. You just loosen these little 6 screws there and move it up. If you want it, the door to go inboard or come outboard, you would just basically, there's 2 screws here, 2 screws there. Loosen those, and then you can move your door in out a little bit or in a little bit. So the adjustment on these is very minute. You know, it doesn't take a whole lot of time to do. So anyways, this is how you actually put the door on a 65 Mustang. And this was in less than 10 minutes.